Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to fix checkout on Shopify. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. There are two ways you can go through and fix your checkout. How you can do that? First of all, you can go to the customize menu, and once you click on that, you will end up over here. At the top, you will see that this is the home page, obviously. Click on that and find checkout page over here. Click on this, and here you will see that all the checkout information over here. And if you want to edit all of this, just click on go to theme settings, scroll down until you see this. You can add your obviously logo over here, your main content, how it looks like, background image. If you want to add that, you can do that. And background color, if you want to add that, you can go for that, like with your own theme if you want to. A background image, colors, heading, body, everything, every single thing which you want to edit, you can also do that over here. But obviously, this is the customization. And if you want to fix a lot of stuff over here, what you can do, just go back to this page and click on settings and find on the left side of the menu checkout page. Once you click on that, this is where you are going to work on checkout page everything. So the first option, you can see that we have customer contact method, like how customer can contact us by phone number or email, or both of them. I'm going with the email because email is very suitable in my opinion. People are very caution about sharing phone numbers. And we have show a link for customer to tag their order. If you want to go for that, I think it's very suitable for the customers. And we have required the customer to log in their account before checkout. If you want to go for that, you can also check mark this. We have customer information, what customer information you want. Company name, if you want to go for optional requirement, you can go for that. Obviously, name is very important. We have address line and shipping address, phone number also. So it's all on you what you are selling and what you want for your customers. After that, we have marketing options. Let customers sign up for email or SMS marketing. You might have seen that they will ask for your email sometimes, and once you enter that, they will give you some promotions and discount offers on your emails. So you can go for that approach also, or you can go for the SMS. I think email is good because we have already chosen the email above. After that, we have tipping. If you want to add that, you can do that. We have address collection preferences and order processing. Like after an order has been paid, automatically fulfill the orders line item. We have automatically fulfill only the gift cards of the order. So there are some few options which you need to go through. And if you want to add tracking scripts and other customization, this is a very different tutorial. You need to connect your pixel to your Shopify. If you want that tutorial, just let me know. And we have checkout language. If you want to change the language, you can also do that from over here. Manage checkout language. If you click on that, you will see some more of the menu related to that. And here you can see we have checkout address management, checkout general. So page title, if you want to change that, you can also do that. We have seen the page title which was checkout, right? So you can also change that from over here. And whatever you want to change, you can change that from over here. And if you want to use for the page flyer checkout, you can also go through that. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to fix checkout on Shopify if you're having trouble in checkout. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.